With sinister charcoal paint highlighting a supercharged 302 5-speed drivetrain and a supple red interior, this 65 Mustang has been massaged to present classic good looks with modern performance. The beneficiary of a professional restoration, this slick pony features a seamless layer of charcoal base that's highlighted by a satin hood stripe and sealed in glossy clear. Take one look down the sides of the car's laser-straight body and it becomes very obvious that great care was taken to ensure every panel is aligned to better than factory standards. Crack the doors and you'll find a custom vinyl interior that wraps modern style around modern safety. The heavily bolstered seats are framed by a custom low-profile roll cage and 4-point harnesses. A two-tone dash hangs odometer gauges to the left of a Pioneer CD player and vintage air climate control. And a simple Sparco steering wheel spins a thick suede rim around a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find a Boss 302 V8 that produces 486 rear-wheel horsepower thanks to aluminum Edelbrock heads and an intercooled Vortex supercharger. And transferring that power to the rear axle is a Tremec 5-speed manual. Absolutely no expense was spared on the construction of this Mustang. It combines professional-grade performance hardware with one of the coolest bodies in the hobby to create a take-no-prisoners pony car. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.